you.
Thank you, guys. Saraswati, I want to ask you this question. I was not able to record it before. So what are the two things that you recommend for students in marketing right now for drug safety? You're on mute. You're on mute.
Sorry. So one thing I'll say, doctor, that keep applying, don't lose your hope any point or anywhere. Just keep applying. And second thing, have consistently go through make something like Excel sheet and something and check all the thing where you applied, how you applied, and also keep track on your study material also. Don't lose that thing, because ultimately if you get any call, you have to go through with that all questions what we learned in the classes.
Awesome. Awesome. Congratulations again for your job placement. I'll give you a call tomorrow. We'll talk about next steps and all those things that you need. Okay.
Okay, doctor. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.